me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Got a first time here, so just a single.
Charge on the rain that one of those ups. Single one.
Yeah, single wash. Okay.
Pull it back.
Gotcha. So it was only one transaction, right? Okay.
Yeah, that's why I gave you the receipt.
Thank you. Appreciate it. My husband is the one that do it. Appreciate
Okay.
it. Thank
Got
you.
it.
Thank you. Do you take the tea, right, Matthew?
I did.